This is a very quick tutorial on how to print your sources after you have collected them. And this is from the student side. So we're looking at the sources as the students. And we're going to go up to Print and Export at the top. And we can pull right down to Export to Google Docs. We have any of those options open to us, but since we use the Google Suite, we might as well go to Google Docs. And we want to print all of our sources, so we'll go ahead and submit. And what automatically happens is that it asks which account, just making sure that you're going into the right Google account. And here we are. Here is our, and again, we only collected 2 sources, so here they are.